Number 20, what is the x-intercept? So if we're talking the x-intercept, where are we crossing this? Well, I know I've gone over some amount and up none. I know the y value is 0. Now remember, f of x is y. Okay, that's just y equals x squared plus 8x plus 12. This is a parabola. It's going to cross in two spots. So we got to find the two places it crosses. I know that. But here's what I know. I know the y value is 0 because the x-intercept, the y value is always 0. It's always at a height of nothing. So I'm going to set this equal to 0. So 0 is equal to x squared plus 8x plus 12. Right away, I see a trinomial. I'm like, I got to factor it. So I have to list out the factors of 12, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. And which of those combine to give me 8? It's going to be the 2 and the 6 because it is plus 12. So either both pieces are positive or both are negative. And in this case, they're both positive because I have a positive 8x in the middle. So x plus 2 times an x plus 6 equals 0. So, hey, wait a second. Either this piece has to be 0 or that piece does, because the only way you can multiply two numbers and get 0 is if one of the pieces is 0. So we set this equal to 0, and then we also set that one equal to 0. We solve it, getting x by itself. Negative 2 is one possibility. Negative 6 is the other. I write them as ordered pairs. X is negative 2, the y is 0. The other one is x is negative 6, and again, the y is 0. That's how I do this every single time. I want the y-intercept. If I'm talking where it crosses the y-axis, what I know is the x value will be 0 because you've gone over none. Woo! Sorry about that. You've gone over none and up some amount or down some amount. So I set the x to 0. So f of x is y. I set the x to 0. 0 squared plus 8 times 0 plus 12. 0 plus 0 plus 12. Y is 12. And I'm done. The x is 0. The y is 12. There's the y-intercept. The y-intercept's only going to be 1 point. Okay? It's always going to be 1 point. It's not like the x-intercept that could have 2. We're going to have 1 here. And I just simply set the x value to 0 and solve it. There you have 21.